Hey there, it's Daniel. I'm practically bursting with excitement because I've stumbled upon something absolutely incredible, and I can't wait to share it with you. Dentitox Pro. But before we dive into this oral health marvel, let me give you a crucial heads up. Be super cautious about where you get it. Stick to the official site link below to steer clear of those shady imposters that could bring you nothing but headaches. Now, if you are someone who values not just a smile, but a radiant one, and you are all about top-notch oral health, then buckle up because this video is tailor-made for you. Dentitox Pro isn't just your regular supplement. It's like a superhero for your teeth, packed to the brim with essential vitamins like phosphorus, calcium, and vitamin D. It's practically a powerhouse. Say goodbye to those pesky cavities and say hello to a natural dazzling shine that will have everyone asking for your secret. But wait, the magic doesn't stop there. Brace yourself for jaw-dropping results. We're talking about stronger teeth, improved breath basically. The full oral health package. And guess what? There's this incredible 180-day package that not only gives you a $20 discount per bottle, but also throws in free shipping. Now, that's a deal you don't want to miss. And here's the best part, it's made right here in the USA, FDA approved, non-GMO, and with zero side effects. It's not just a product, it's a game changer in the world of oral health. Still not convinced? No worries, try it risk-free for 60 days with a money-back guarantee. I mean, what do you have to lose, right? So, light up your oral health journey. Hit that like button, share this with a friend who deserves a radiant smile, and I'll catch you later for more reasons to smile. Cheers to Dentitox Pro.